Hi everyone, Teacher Claire here again. I'm going to give you a lesson on all the planets that we get in our solar system. But before we talk about them, I want to show you what book I'm using. So this is called Space by I Wonder. Okay guys, these are all the planets. Who knows how many planets do we have in the solar system? If you guessed 8, you are right. So let's name them. Okay, firstly, this is not a planet. This is a star, and it's a special star. It's the sun. Look how big the sun is compared to all the planets. Hey, it's big because it's so special. Okay, the first planet I want you to name with me is called Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then do you see this little planet here? That is called Pluto. It used to be a planet, but we don't consider it a planet anymore. It's called a dwarf planet. Okay, so we're going to start with the first planet, and that is Mercury. So the Mercury planet is the closest to the sun, and this planet is mainly made up of rocks and metals, and it has a very solid outer surface that is called the crust. So you're looking at the crust. Now this planet gets very, very hot during the day, but at night it gets freezing. Okay, the next planet is Venus. Okay, the hottest planet, and this planet is covered in poisonous clouds. Look at what you're looking at is all the clouds. So these gas clouds, they trap the heat from the sun, which makes it hot. There is yellow clouds in the sky, which is full of harmful gases and acids. Do you see that? So we can't live on that planet. And then the third planet from the sun is planet Earth, hey? And we spoke a little bit about planet Earth. It's a planet that we live on, and it's super special because it has land, air, and water. And it's the only planet which we can survive on. So far, that's what we think. Okay. Wow, look at this beautiful planet. What planet is that? That is Mars. And this is known as the red planet. Do you know that Mars might be a planet which can allow humans to live on? So they're doing lots of science on this planet to see if it can be a home for us. And this planet has seasons like Earth. It's got polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and it has weather on this planet, just like planet Earth. Now this is very cool. I find this very interesting. Mars has a volcano that's 3 times higher than Mount Everest. And boys and girls, do you know that Mount Everest is the highest mountain in our world? So they have a volcano that's 3 times bigger than Mount Everest. How cool is that? And Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. How cool is that? Okay. Then we're going to go to planet Jupiter. Okay, this is the biggest planet. And do you know this planet has 29 moons? And boys and girls, how many moons does planet Earth have? We have 1 moon. This planet has 29 moons. How cool is that? So this planet is so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. That's how big it is. And it has bright red and yellow clouds. And this planet is known as the gas giant because it's made of gas.